Hey guys, so I've got a quick video on a 2020 Honda Odyssey to reset the maintenance light. Maintenance due soon after an oil change. Very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. On the older Hondas, we were able to do it using this button right over here, the trip one, or the buttons on this one. They changed it to the display over here. So first thing we're gonna do, even with the vehicle running or the ignition on, go to settings, scroll down, oh sorry, two down. Go to wiggle, down, maintenance information, tire rotation, reset, engine oil, reset, confirm reset. All right, and then they have a separate one for oil and filter, so we'll reset two. I don't know why they have two, but it's done. All right, should we reset to 100%? You can turn the car off, start it again, confirm, and no fault lights. Clear. Yep. So very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. You can confirm the maintenance over here, 100%. That are using these buttons, up, down, left, right, enter. All right, thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.